Hi and welcome to this new video. In this video, I have a new plugin for you called Mant Accessibility. I had a project, and in that project, I had to make the website web accessible for people with disabilities. And I had a hard time because there are not good plugins in the market. So I decided to develop one based on what I needed or based on my experience in that project. And so here's the plugin you can see on my screen. This is the dashboard of the plugin. Here you have an overview of your website. But to have all these numbers, you need first to scan your website. And this brings me to the second point, which is the scanner. And the scanner is the second page, and here we have different options. We have full public scan, homepage only, and selected content. And here you can decide what kind or what type of content you want to scan. Here we have posts, pages, media, products. And here we have a couple of options. You can scan single page at a time. And when you click on it, you will have it here in this box on the right side, and you can also close using this X button. And here on the right side, we have a couple of options. I'm not going to go into details, so I'm just going to give you an overview of the plugin. Here we have the issues. So after doing the scan, we will have here a table with all the issues. And here we have group findings. Here we have, for example, low color contrast, one page, two times. We have a lot of options. You can go over them. And here we have a table. We can check the option or the finding, and then we can have a bulk actions here. We can mark as fixed. We can mark as ignored. We can mark as false positives. And one of the most important things that this plugin does is the actions on the right side. Here we have also the same or similar list of options, and here we can assign it to other people. So if we have other colleagues who are working with us on the project, you can assign the job to them. In my dashboard, I am the only one here, so you can see just only admin. And yeah, if you have other members, you can add them or you can assign the job to them. You can give it here a date, and you can add a note on it. For example, if you want to ignore something, you can also add a note here that you are ignoring it. And here on top, we have filter. It's a very strong, powerful filter. So to filter the content here in this page, you can filter URL, issue type, and a lot of other options. Now let's go to the other function, which is the reports. And I'm really proud of this option because this is one of my uh, because this is one of the problems that I had. How can I communicate with the client? How can I create a report? And I spent really long time creating the report. And here you can have it with one click. Here you have an overview of the fixed issues, the warnings, the reviews, and everything. And you can click and you can click on create PDF report. And let's click on it. And as you can see, we have the report here. We have an overview, and then we have all the issues here. That's it. Now let's go back to the page where we was. And here we have the technical view. So if we want to export a technical report, we can use this option. And here you will see all the details like in the issues page. We have also the accessibility statement. Here we can generate a page representing your accessibility statement. And you can create it here directly. And here we have a list or an explanation or documentation how to use the statement. Now let's go to the settings. And here we can enable scheduled scans. We can enable skip links. I'm not gonna go into details as I mentioned already because we have a lot of information. I'm gonna cover them maybe separately with maybe a couple of videos. And here we have a check text and UI contrast. Here you can put the colors and check if the contrast is okay. And here we have, as I said, an explanation. And this is also at the bottom, the backup, restore, and reset. In case something happens, you can always export a JSON backup of your plugin or of your findings, fixes, and everything. And you can import it later to the plugin. Here at the bottom, we have also an option to delete the stored plugin data. So you want to start from zero, you want to start fresh, new, you can always delete the data. And the final page is going to be your license. And here you'll have an overview of your license and the features that the Mant accessibility covers. The plugin is available in two plans. One is free plan and the other one is the pro plan. The free plan is going to have a couple of options and the other plan is going to have everything we saw here. That's all in the dashboard. Now let me move to the front end. And so here on the front end, you can click on the meta boxes here at the bottom and then you will see the other scanner or the other part of the plugin, but this is in the editor. And here we have an overview of the issues with the suggestions, what you need to do here, what you need to go to the issues. You can also scan the render page from the editor. And you can go back to the issue list. You can also mark as fixed. You have a lot of options here, so no need to go back to the backend. You can work here. We have also an overlay here. So this is the page, and here we have also a scanner and overview of the page. So you have three different options, and you have one here in the front end as an overlay here. With this button, you can click, toggle the window, and there is a kind of circle highlighting the options. For example, this one, when we click on it, we will see what's the problem with it. You need sometimes to read carefully because sometimes there is no exact element. So here, the page marker, no exact visible element. That's it. The plugin is very strong and capable of a lot of things, and it's still work in progress. If you're not sure, you can use the free version. If you want more, if you want full report, if you want to scan the whole page, then you can go for the other one. But I think at the beginning you can try the free version. I'm going to put the link to download the free version in the video description, and see you in other videos about Mant accessibility WordPress plugin.